So, good morning, children. Today we want to see complex tissues. Okay, complex tissues. So, in the last class we studied about the simple tissues and that permanent tissues, and we saw that simple tissues. Okay, the next one, complex tissues. So complex means what? It's a difficult one. That is, it can complex tissues means it is made up of more than one type of cells that work together as a unit. That is, we said complex, right? So complex tissues are made of more than one cells. They work together as a unit. That is said to be complex tissues. Okay. Some common examples for complex tissues is xylem and phloem. These are the examples for complex tissues. So in xylem means coming to xylem means what is the main function of this xylem? Xylem is a conducting tissue. Okay, it is a conducting tissue, but it conducts water and mineral to from root to leaves. Okay, it conduct water and some minerals, nutrients, that and all. It conduct from root to leaves, that is upward direction. Okay, that is the main function of this xylem. Okay, so what the next one is, it gives the mechanical support to the plant body. Okay, it gives the mechanical support to the plant for the plant. Okay, the main function, it conducts water and minerals from root to leaves, that is in upward direction. The next one is, it gives the mechanical support. Okay, so in xylem, that are composed of this xylem tracheids, xylem fibers, and xylem vessels and xylem parenchyma. Okay, xylem is composed of these four things: xylem tracheids, xylem fibers, xylem vessels, and xylem parenchyma. So first one, small points I gave you about this xylem tracheids, fibers, vessels, and parenchyma. Okay, so first xylem tracheids. Okay, so these xylem tracheids are elongated tube like dead cells. Okay, tube like dead cells. So what is the function of this xylem tracheids is, it conduct water and providing mechanical support to the plant. Okay, so what is the main function of this xylem tracheids is, it conduct water and it give the mechanical support to the plant body. So the xylem is composed of these four. Okay, xylem tracheids, xylem fibers, xylem vessels, and xylem parenchyma. So xylem tracheids means it is a elongated tube like dead cells. Okay, so it what is the function of this tracheids? It conduct water and it gives the mechanical support. Okay, the next one is xylem fibers. These also elongated structure, but it has point at the both ends. Okay, some points at the both ends. What is the function of this xylem fibers is, it provide mechanical support to the plant. Okay, xylem fibers only provide the mechanical support to the plant. Okay, the next one is xylem vessels. So these are long cylindrical tube like structure. Okay, it is a cylindrical tube like structure. These are also dead cells. These are also dead cells, that is, they do not have any protoplast. Okay, so what is the main function of this xylem vessels is, it transport water and give the mechanical strength. Okay, all xylem means it conduct water and mechanical support. Okay, all that. And xylem means these are all in xylem. Okay, then xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma means these are thin walled cells. Okay, thin walled cells. It's a living cells. All others are dead cells. No, but this xylem parenchyma is a living thin walled cell. So what is the main function of this xylem parenchyma is, to store starch and fatty substances. So important that function. All others are conducting water and minerals and mechanical support. Here see xylem parenchyma, all it is different. Okay, it is a living cell and it stores starch and fatty substances. Okay, it stores starch and fatty substances. Okay, the next we will see about phloem. Okay.